Hello everyone, I am Deepali Bhosle and the topic is what is constructor in and Java. Let's see in detail what is constructor in and Java. A constructor, it is a block of code similar to the method. It is called when an instance of class is created. At the time of calling the constructor, the memory of an object is allocated in an memory. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is a call. It calls as a default constructor if there is a constructor available in the class. In such case, the Java compiler provides the default constructor by default. There are two types of constructors in an Java, that is the no argument constructor and the parameterized constructor. No argument constructor is also called as a default constructor, and in that it is called as an constructor because constructs the value at the time of an object creation. It is not necessary to write a constructor for a class. It is because the Java compiler creates an default constructor if your class doesn't have any constructor. What are the rules of creating an Java constructor? There are three rules for creating an Java constructor. That is, constructor name must be same as it is class name. Then second is a constructor must have no explicit return type. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final and synchronized. We can use the access modifiers while declaring a constructors. It controls the object creation. In other words, we can have the private, protected, public or default constructor in an Java. Let's see what are the types of an constructor. There are two types of constructor in a Java. First is an default constructor, that is it is also called as no arguments constructor, and second is an parameterized constructor. And let's see the Java default constructor. A constructor is called as an default constructor when it does not have any parameter. The syntax of an default constructor is the class name and the method body is there. Example of a default constructor is we are creating the no argument constructor in the by class. It will be invoked at the time of object creation, that is the class bike1, and which having the methods, that is bike1 is created, and we can create an objects of that bike class, that is the bike1 is equal to the new bike1, and the bike1 is created. What is the purpose of an default constructor? The default constructor is used to provide the default values to the objects like 0, null, etc., and depending on the type. Let's consider as an Java parameterized constructor, that is the second constructors which are used in an Java. The constructor which has a specific number of parameter, it is called as an parameterized constructor. Why we use the parameterized constructor? A constructor which is used to provide the different values to the different object. You can provide the same values also, but let's consider as an example. We have created the constructor of an student class, that we having the two parameters and it's having the any number of parameters in an constructor. Let's create as a class, that is the class student4. In that we take it as an student id, student name, and creating the parameterized constructor. It is same name, its parameterized name. The constructor name is the same as the class name, that is student, int of I and string of n. Then id equals to I and name equals to the n. And by using void display method, we can display the id and name. In main method, we can create a student s1 and new student equals to the s1 dot display and s2 equals to display. Then the output will be the id of a student and name of the student. Then first id of student and second name of the student. Java constructor is like a method but without return types. It's also overloaded like Java methods. Constructor overloaded in a Java, it is a technique of having the more than one constructor with the different parameter list. They are arranged in a way that each constructor performs the different tasks, and they are differentiated by using the compiler by the number of parameters in the list and their types. This is all about the constructor in a Java. Thank you.